Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kyra and today we are doing a brand new tag created by my girl Angela from Beauty by Angela. This is the summer 2019 beauty and lifestyle tag created by my girl Angela from Beauty by Angela. I will have her information linked below. The other thing that you need to know is that this is a big old collab of a bunch of us just to start Angela's tag off right, give you guys some encouragement, and reach as many of you as possible in hopes that those of you that are creators will do this tag as well. The first question is, what is your favorite summer drink? For me, agua, water. I drink a ton of water every single day. And I drink even more during the summer. But in terms of my favorite alcohol drink, which I think is probably where Angela was going with this, I really love a nice cold beer during the summer. And I really hate that because beers are a ton of calories and it can get out of hand very quickly. But I also like any kind of light fruity cocktails that are made with vodka. I just, especially if it's like fizzy, my neighbor made me a drink that was absolutely to die for. It was vodka and then like a diet cranberry sparkling drink and a little bit of pineapple juice, and it was so good. Like, it could be really dangerous. Number 2, do you wear any makeup to the lake, pool, or beach? No. Do you, boo? I never have understood wearing makeup to the lake, beach, or pool. For me, I just want a really good SPF, and any makeup that I'm wearing is going to melt right off my face. I am a sweater, so. Next is flip-flops or cute sandals. The sandals I love to wear and probably wear most often are one of my 3 pairs of Birkenstock sandals. For me, they are the most supportive for my feet, and my back doesn't hurt at the end of the day when I wear them, and so more often I wear those, but I know a lot of people would not consider Birkenstocks to be cute. I personally do. They go with my general aesthetic. Next is lip gloss or lipstick, and for me in summer, it's definitely lip gloss. The one I'm wearing today is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in the original Fenty Glow shade. This is definitely a favorite. It's very comfortable. I also love the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumpers. I have the shades Luminoso and Soft Rose, and they're all just super comfortable. They wear away beautifully, and they're just kind of hassle-free, which I think is mostly what I'm looking for in the summer. Next is hamburgers or hot dogs. This is an easy one for me. I love me a good old ballpark hot dog on the grill, extra grilled, blackened, if you please. I'm not a big fan of burgers, and I don't know what that is. I mean, my husband makes a mean burger, whether it's on the grill or in a skillet, but I always will choose a hot dog over hamburger if I'm given the choice. Next is foundation or bare skin. Neither. I mean, I do go days without foundation for sure, especially as the summer moves on and my skin naturally deepens a little bit. I feel a little less likely to wear foundation because my uneven skin tone and things like that are less obvious. However, I do really love me a BB cream, and these are my 2 current picks. This one's got like one use left in it, and it is the NYX BB Cream. I wear mine in the shade number 2, Natural. This has an abhorrent shade selection, really pathetic, but if you can find a shade that matches you, this is definitely an affordable option. And then the newest BB cream that I'm trying is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue Tinted Hydrating Gel Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30 in the shade 5.5 Bamboo. Now, of course, I'm not relying on the SPF in this product to protect my skin. This is just an added bit of SPF as a bonus. But I really like this. It's really lightweight. It's really hassle-free because I apply it with my fingers. And I think it's going to be great for me all summer long. And as you would have seen on Wednesday in my Shop My Stash for Summer video, this was my pick for my foundation or my base product for summer.
So I'll leave that
video linked down below for you in case you missed it. Next is cute floppy hat or adorable sunglasses. I think you saw in the intro my answer to this, and that is sunglasses. I've already seen these on me. I love this soft peach color. Also, I do prefer plastic sunglasses that have no nose pieces. That way, when I put them up, like when I go into a store or I come back in the house or something, they don't get caught in my hair because that really drives me bonkers. Here's another cute little green pair that I just picked up at the grocery store, which I think are kind of fun, and I really love green. And then I have a couple other pairs, including a really cute pair of aviators that I picked up this season. Just a reminder that not all sunglasses protect you from UVA and UVB rays, which are the rays that are damaging to our eyes during the summer or any time of year. So make sure when you purchase a pair of sunglasses that they are labeled as protective for UVA and UVB rays. Next is watermelon or ice cream. Definitely ice cream. I am not a big fan of watermelon. I really like honeydew and cantaloupe, but I really am not a big fan of watermelon. It has something to do with the texture for me. I love the smell. I like fakey watermelon flavored things, but I'm just not the biggest fan of watermelon. I maybe eat it once every summer, and that's enough for me. Next is shorts and capris or skirts and sundresses. The answer is yes. I wear all of them. I don't really wear a ton of skirts during summer. Most of my skirts are long and therefore I get too hot, but I do occasionally wear like a light colored maxi skirt. I do wear shorts, and I particularly love linen shorts, which is what I'm wearing today, and I love sundresses, especially when it's really hot, 90 and above. I love a sundress. There's ventilation, it's comfortable, and I'm more likely to stay cool. Next is bikini or a one-piece suit, and I have always preferred bikinis. I just never have found a one-piece bathing suit that was flattering to a small chest and a big butt, which I've always had. So I'll put it up on the screen for you one that I found recently. It was through an Instagram ad, and you know, some of those win and some of those lose. This was a winner. It came from a site called rosegal.com, and I'll link that down below for you.
You see my curls swaying in the wind? It's because I had to move my fan like right in front of me. This is definitely a summer favorite.
So next is what is your signature summer fragrance? I don't really have one. The one I've been using the most lately since summer started is the Brazilian Crush body fragrance mist. It smells like the Boom Boom Cream from Sol de Janeiro. This was a birthday gift from my younger sister Emma. Thank you, Emma. She knows how much I love the body cream, and this smells just like it, and so I'm really enjoying this. I actually find this to be pretty reasonable. I think this is about $20, and I use this a lot. Next is what is your favorite summer lip color? Again, I refer you to the summer Shop My Stash that went up on Wednesday, so you can see all of my summer lip color picks. But in general, I tend to wear a lot of nudes for summer, mostly because I tend to go pretty bright and bold on the eyes during summer. If there's any time I'm feeling like rocking a fluorescent turquoise and green and yellow look, it's summertime. But specifically the one product that I am so digging right now, and again, you would have seen this in that previous video, I am obsessed with the Bobbi Brown Crushed Liquid Lip. These are not a liquid lipstick, so put that out of your mind. This is actually a lip gloss, and it's really beautiful. Mine is in the shade Give a Fig, and Emily Noel made me buy this. There's no two ways about it, and that's the shade. It's kind of along the lines of Marc Jacobs Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, in that depending on what you wear it with, it looks different. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang, I feel like it leans pink sometimes, it leans more red other times, and it's kind of the same way with this. Sometimes it looks more coral, sometimes it looks more like terracotta or red, and I love lip colors like that. They're so versatile, and I love this formula. Next question is camping or glamping, and I love that Angela included this question, and for me it's definitely camping. My husband would not put up with glamping for one moment. He is a fisherman, he's a bow hunter, he's an outdoorsman in general, and I grew up camping and I love the outdoors myself. When we do go camping, we do tent it. We don't have a camper. The only thing that leans towards glamping is really just a medical need, and that is I can't sleep on the ground. I have a really bad back. I have fibromyalgia, and so that's not really an option for me. So we do have to have an air mattress when we go, but the rest, we're kind of roughing it. So I think it's really funny when people go glamping, but if that's your style of camping and that's how you can enjoy the great outdoors, you do you, boo. Next is an eye look that screams summer to you, and that is why I'm rocking this bright blue and yellow and green eye look today. I used my Violet Voss Flamingo palette, and I let my daughter Hannah pick the shades that I used today, and she went sort of in that direction, and this is definitely a summer palette for me. And when I think summer eye look, I feel bright, bold, you know, just summer colors, you know? Next is another question that I love that Angela included, because I feel like people are either one or the other and nowhere in between. So the question is roasted marshmallows, lightly golden to perfection, or burnt. But I like mine just lightly golden, you know, just all the way around golden, nice and soft and mushy, no solidity in the middle, but also toasty and yummy on the outside. And I actually prefer eating just marshmallows over making s'mores. I know some people would throw things at me, but that's just what I like. When I was a kid, we didn't make s'mores. We just roasted marshmallows, and I love it. Favorite go-to summer hairstyle? Not this. If I had my way, I'd have this mop up in a top knot. It is approaching 100 degrees today in Colorado, and it's kind of our first really, really hot day since summer started. So normally my go-to hair style would be a top knot or a high pony, but as some of you may know, I just got my hair cut and I got my brows tinted. I have no brow product except for clear gel in them today, but currently my hair is too short to put up without the baby curls in the back falling down and creating a mullet. Next is one beauty product that you can't live without for summer. I originally thought maybe it was going to be like a colored face product, like a favorite bronzer or blush or what have you, but I decided that none of that matters if I don't have a good matte primer on my combo skin. Some of you may know what my holy grail product is, but for those of you who don't, it is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I love this because it does keep my makeup on all day. It does, for the most part, keep it matte, but it's not looking flat, dry, cakey, or feeling tight or heavy like a lot of other matte primers that I've tried. So that's why this is my holy grail, and I can't live without it for summer, because if I don't wear this, my makeup will just slide off of my face because, again, I am a sweater. Next was a hard one for me because I'm not much of a traveler. Not that I don't want to, it just is not in the cards of life for us right now. But the question is, dream summer vacation destination. And when I think of a summer vacation, I definitely think of road tripping with my hubby and my kids. But then I really started thinking about, where is somewhere you've always wanted to go? And it turns out it's not very far away, and it is Yellowstone. I'd really like to go to Yellowstone Park, and then not too far from there are the Grand Tetons. But my best friend and her family and another family as well had gone there a couple of years ago, and their photos and their stories and what they had to share about the experience was 100% something that I would love to experience with my family. The next question is absolutely my favorite question in this tag, and it is favorite childhood summer experience or memory. I want to ask you guys to go ahead and answer this question down in the comments, because I would love to hear about your experiences. Mine is a quirky little tradition within my family. It's something I did before my siblings. Once my siblings came along, I now have done it with my children, and we have now done it with some of their friends and our family, and that is what my mom likes to call a watermelon splash. This is what it looks like. You hose off the driveway or cement somewhere. You can lay down a tarp. We never did. A little dirt won't hurt. And you take a watermelon. You pick the lucky candidate who gets to do the next part. And you throw the watermelon on the driveway. And then you sit down and you eat it. And it's fun. It's messy. You know, my mom always put the watermelon either in the fridge or the freezer for a long period of time right before, so it was nice and cold. And I was like, damn, this day is hot, and the kids are cranky, and we just want to be inside. And she'd grab that watermelon, throw it on the ground, and we had the time of our lives. You're welcome to use our quirky little tradition when you're hot and cranky this summer. And the last question is, does your skin tan or burn? I am very blessed that mostly my skin does tan. I am so pale yet this summer, but I worship at the altar of SPF 50. I think you should too. I wear sunscreen on my face every single day, and I absolutely apply it to my body if I'm going to be out in the sun for any length of time. And that's it. Thank you to Angela for creating this super fun summer tag. It was really fun to think about these questions. I'm excited to hear what, if any, questions you guys would like to answer below. I will have all of the ladies in this collab linked down below for you to go and check out their videos. I can't wait to see what their answers were, whether we're similar, whether we're different. And like I said, I would love to hear your favorite childhood summer memory or experience. With all that said, I hope all of your makeup days are absolutely beautiful summertime makeup days, and I will see you in my next video soon.